Sneaker botting may very well be a dying art. Now, if you guys are sneaker botters, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Over the past few months, things have changed drastically and not in a good way. Let me show you guys what I mean. If you look right now on YouTube at just sneaker botting in general, right? Obviously, you're going to see the videos like Nova posts and stuff like that. Also, shout out to Nova's second channel, apparently. I didn't know he had one, but shout out to Nova's second channel. But even in Nova's last video, he said that he's going to start scaling down his setup to try to make money because right now, the work that he's putting in is just simply not worth it.
So next month, we're going to be switching some stuff up. We're going to be scaling down our setup to potentially reduce those expenses.
So I am also going to be scaling down my setup a little bit, but we haven't touched on the big question. Is sneaker botting even still worth it in 2022? I'm going to give you guys a couple stats real fast, okay? I'm going to make a full video about this on Monday, but just listen to this. Right now, there are bots that you used to be able to pay, 6, 8 grand for that prices now have plummeted. Listen to some of these prices. Falco, $200. Trickle, $200. Kodai, $150. Toru, $50. Cyber, $240. Haya, $150. Whatbot, $25. Valor, $200. Prism, $80. Those are prices right now for sneaker bots. The best sneaker bots out there are going for $200 when months and months ago they were going for 6 to 8 grand. Now, the topic of is it still worth it, we haven't covered in a while, especially not on this channel. If you look for any videos on that lately, no offense, but I'm not counting the one at the top. Whoa, that second one looks pretty nice, though. That's a good looking video right there. But we haven't covered this topic in a while, and no one is answering the real question: is if sneaker botting is still worth it anymore? Maybe it is, maybe it isn't. In Monday's video, we are going to dive into all the aspects of sneaker botting and answer the question if it's still worth it. And this is a big deal, guys. This is what this channel was founded on. So if sneaker botting isn't still worth it, what do we do from here? Or maybe it is still worth it, and we just need to change our idea, change our perception, and change the way we go about sneaker botting. Maybe instead of just trying to compete with one another, as we've been doing, we need to get back to the basics and figure out how we can actually make money botting sneakers. In Monday's video, we're going to talk all about that. I hope you guys have a great rest of your weekend. Be sure to like, be sure to comment, be sure to subscribe right here on the channel. Turn your post notifications on. Thanks so much for the support over the last few videos. Let's keep it up, boys. If we get another 1,000 view video this month, we've got something incredibly exciting coming. So let's push this video, boys. Let's get there. I'll see you guys on Monday for the full video. Have a great weekend. Solestate from Juiced, signing out. Bye, everybody.